This is page 1 in Excel Part 3, Chapter 1, Working with Multiple Worksheets and Workbooks. In many cases, you are collecting or tracking data in one or more worksheets in a workbook. While you know how to summarize the data on one worksheet, you may wish to combine the data into a report from these individual worksheets or even from other workbooks. Excel has several features that allow you to aggregate the data to generate those reports. Using multiple worksheets and workbooks to track, retrieve, consolidate, and report on data can all be done in Microsoft Excel. Whether you are using formulas, 3D formulas and functions, links to external data, meaning other worksheets or workbooks, or consolidating data from identical worksheets, Excel has the tools to do the job. In this lesson, you will work with multiple worksheets and workbooks. You will use links and external references, use 3D references, and consolidate data. Topic A on page 2 is using links and external references. As you've likely already discovered, introducing errors in large, complex worksheets can quickly leave you with a mess on your hands. Referring to data in its original location is often better than making copies of the data and then having to update multiple copies when values change. Doing so can introduce errors in your calculations. Fortunately, Excel enables you to create formulas and functions that link data from multiple worksheets and workbooks in order to create a worksheet or workbook summary, all the while allowing you to maintain and view your original data. So Excel provides you with the ability to connect one cell to the data entered into another cell. When you create this connection, you create a linked cell. Unlike a cell reference, which merely calls a value in another cell for use in a formula or function, a linked cell behaves as if it actually contains the data in the original cell. If you update the value in the original cell, Excel updates the value in the linked cell automatically. You can have internal links, which are links to other worksheets in the same workbook, or links to other workbooks are going to be called external links. And it's very easy to create a linked cell. Let's say we were calculating the first quarter sales for our North America worksheet, and we had the sum of quarter 1 here. And we also had the sum of all 4 quarters. If I wanted to link this cell to another worksheet, instead of just copying the data, maybe I have a summary worksheet for North America, and I want to bring over the quarter one total. I can actually link that by just hitting the equal sign, going back to my North America worksheet, selecting that cell, and I don't want to navigate back to sheet 1 where I have that original equal sign. I just want to hit enter from here, and it will bring that value over for me. So you can see equal, then the worksheet name, NA exclamation point, that's a sheet reference, and then the cell reference on that sheet, which is B11. So I could bring over my quarter totals, do quarter 2, equal sign, navigate to the North American worksheet, select the total, hit enter from here, and it links them together. So I'll do quarter 3. Again, just an equal sign, navigate to it and select it and press enter. Equal sign, go and select it and enter. Now the good thing about linked cells is if the original cell is updated with its value, any linked cells that are linked to the original will be updated automatically for you. So if we take a look at quarter four's total, 632,957. If I was to go back to that North American website, and let's say, since this is the sum, let's say I update this one to a very large number so we can see the significant difference here. So you can see how the number is updated very largely here. If I was to go over to sheet 1, it's in scientific notation because it's such a large number, you can see that it has been updated there as well. If I was to go back and undo that, so it's back to normal now, go to sheet 1, you can see that updates automatically. So, good thing about linked cells is they will update automatically when anything in the original is updated for you. And again, these links, since they are in the same workbook, these are called internal links. If I was linking to another file, another worksheet in another file, or another workbook, that would be called an external link. Your next video will be activity 1.1 on page 6.